Was there ever a pandemic in Wuhan? This is my question because we were all focused on what happened over there. Then we saw it travel to Italy and travel to Iran and travel to Seattle. Was that happening? Were there things happening on the ground, or do you think that was fabricated?
Well, there were certainly a lot of things happening, but what and I don't know all the details about some of the other places. I've mostly been following things in the United States, but I know that they did actually erect a hospital facility in Wuhan very quickly. And I think it was really not even utilized. And I think it's been taken down since then. But when I heard about the final numbers, once things settled down over there from a epidemiologist at the University of Manitoba in Canada, and basically he had calculated based upon the reports of the data over there what was the death rate, and it was essentially insignificant. So I don't really feel that there's any evidence of increased mortality. And this is the main statistic that I've been looking at, because the way that governments and other organizations identify a possible new health threat is that they look at what they call excess mortality. So in other words, compared to previous years, how many people are dying this year? And if there's a spike in the number of deaths, then that indicates possibly a new health crisis, and then that could be further investigated. So just this morning, I was looking at the CDC website because they've been reporting weekly mortality statistics since the beginning of the year. And they have this table on their website that's updated on a daily basis, and I've been following it now for about a week. And it reports something very interesting. So it gives of course, the deaths that they attribute to COVID-19, but it also gives the all-cause mortality. So this is, the total number of people that died of any cause. And that is a much more reliable number. It still may have some inaccuracies, but it doesn't have all of the subterfuge associated with the COVID on the death certificate.